वन मोटोइंकल नॉलेज का यूट्यूब चैनल तरफ आपण समस्त मोर स्वागत। आशा करछि आपण माने समस्ते बहुत भलरे थिबे। आमे पूर्व क्लास रे इंडिया हिस्ट्री को कवर करथिले, तापर आमे पढिथिले इंडिया रे जियोग्राफी। आज रे क्लास रे म आपण मानक पय नै आसीछि इंडिया रो पॉलिटी ऊपर किछि क्वेश्चन, जोथिरे म 300 टी मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन रखिछि एवं ताहाको भलो भाबरे डिस्कशन करछि। एगुडी को आपण समस्तଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ अपकमिंग एग्जाम रे बहुत दरकार अटे। मोर आशा आपण माने समस्त वीडियो को स्किप न करी शेष पर्यंत ध्यान सहित देखिबे। जदि आपण माने नॉलेज कार्ड यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना हंती ताहले सब्सक्राइब करंतु, संग मानक सहित शेयर करंतु, लाइक मध्ये दियंतु। ताहले बे हम आज वीडियो ऊपर को जिबा देखिबा कोन सब क्वेश्चन ता मध्ये रहिछि। आजिर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन होछि हु इज नोन एज फादर ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। तो भारत रो ए कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन रो फादर कहले कहा जाए। ऑप्शन अछि महात्मा गांधी, जवाहरलाल नेहरू, डॉक्टर बी आर आंबेडकर, सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल। यार करेक्ट आंसर होछि ऑप्शन सी डॉक्टर बी आर आंबेडकर बा डॉक्टर भीमराव रामजी आंबेडकर तांकर पूर्ण नाम। द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन वाज अडॉप्टेड ऑन व्हिच डेट। ताले भारत रो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन केबे अडॉप्ट हेतिला। ऑप्शन अछि 26 जनवरी 1950, 26 नवेम्बर 1949, 15 अगस्त 1947, 1 जनवरी 1950। यार करेक्ट आंसर होछि ऑप्शन बी 26 नवेम्बर 1949। Next question. The preamble of the Indian Constitution was amended by which constitutional amendment? ताले को constitutional amendment रे हमर preamble को amend करा हैछि। ऑप्शन अछि 42, 42nd, 44th, first, 73rd। यार करेक्ट आंसर होछि ऑप्शन ए 42तम संविधान संशोधन नियम। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमें देखिबा ओरिजिनली हाउ मेनी फंडामेंटल राइट्स वर प्रोवाइडेड इन इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। तार हमर जो भारतीय संविधान रे समुदाय केतेटी फंडामेंटल राइट अछि। ऑप्शन देछि 6, 7, 5, 8। यार करेक्ट आंसर होछि ऑप्शन बी 7टी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आर्टिकल 21 ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन डील्स विथ। ताहले भारत संविधान रो 21 आर्टिकल दा कहा ऊपर आधारित अटे। ऑप्शन अछि राइट टू इक्वालिटी, प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ लाइफ एंड पर्सनल लिबर्टी, freedom of speech and expression, right against exploitation। यार करेक्ट आंसर होछि ऑप्शन बी प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ लाइफ एंड पर्सनल लिबर्टी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन abolition of untouchability is provided under which article। ताहले को आर्टिकल अंडर रे अनटचेबिलिटी कथा अछि। ऑप्शन अछि आर्टिकल 17, आर्टिकल 15, आर्टिकल 16, आर्टिकल 14। यार करेक्ट आंसर होछि ऑप्शन ए आर्टिकल 17। Directive principle of state policy जोड़ा को हमें DPSP कहू has been borrowed from of the constitution of। ताले डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल ऑफ स्टेट पॉलिसी और DPSP टा को कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन आसीछि। ऑप्शन देछि यूएसए, आयरलैंड, यूके, कनाडा। यार करेक्ट आंसर होछि ऑप्शन बी आयरलैंड। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन fundamental duties were incorporated into the constitution by which amendment। ऑप्शन अछि 42तम, 44तम, 86तम, 73तम। यार करेक्ट आंसर होछि ऑप्शन ए 42तम संविधान संशोधन नियम। हु अपॉइंट्स द प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया। ताले भारत रो प्राइम मिनिस्टर को किए अपॉइंट करंती। ऑप्शन देछि प्रेसिडेंट, पार्लियामेंट, लोकसभा, सिटीजन्स। यार करेक्ट आंसर होछि ऑप्शन ए प्रेसिडेंट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन द मिनिमम एज रिक्वायर्ड टू बिकम प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया। भारत रो प्रेसिडेंट होवा पई केते मिनिमम एज रिक्वायर्ड। ऑप्शन अछि 25 वर्ष, 30 वर्ष, 35 वर्ष, 40 वर्ष। यार करेक्ट आंसर होछि ऑप्शन सी 35 इयर्स। नेशनल इमरजेंसी कैन बी डिक्लेयर्ड अंडर व्हिच आर्टिकल। ताले नेशनल इमरजेंसी कथा को आर्टिकल ले अछि। यार ऑप्शन देछि आर्टिकल 352, आर्टिकल 356, आर्टिकल 360, आर्टिकल 370। यार करेक्ट आंसर होछि ऑप्शन ए आर्टिकल 352। हमर तीनटा इमरजेंसी अछि। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हम देखिबा हाउ मेनी मेंबर्स कैन द प्रेसिडेंट नोमिनेट टू द राज्यसभा। केते मेंबर राज्यसभा को नॉमिनेट होती। प्रेसिडेंट केते जन को नॉमिनेट करती राज्यसभा को। ऑप्शन देछि 10, 12, 14, 2। यार करेक्ट आंसर होछि ऑप्शन बी 12 जन। द स्पीकर ऑफ लोकसभा इज इलेक्टेड बाय ताले लोकसभा स्पीकर को किए इलेक्ट करती ऑप्शन अच्छी प्रेसिडेंट मेंबर ऑफ लोकसभा प्राइम मिनिस्टर राज्यसभा मेंबर्स यार करेक्ट आंसर होची ऑप्शन बी मेंबर ऑफ लोकसभा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन द सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑफ इंडिया वाज एस्टाब्लिश्ड इन द ईयर सुप्रीम कोर्ट केबे हमर एस्टाब्लिश हेतिला ऑप्शन दी 1950 1947 1949 1935 यार करेक्ट आंसर होची ऑप्शन ए 1950। Next question. Judicial review is primarily derived from which article? को article रे हमरो judiciary review कथा पाजाइछि ऑप्शन अछि article 13, article 32, article 226 all of the above. यार correct answer होछि ऑप्शन डी all of the above. The Panchayati Raj system was introduced by which constitutional amendment? ताहले पंचायती राज सिस्टम कथा को constitutional amendment रे हमर introduce करा हिछि ऑप्शन अछि 73तम संविधान संशोधन नियम 74तम amendment 42तम 86तम एहार करेक्ट आंसर होछि ऑप्शन ए 73तम संविधान संशोधन नियम। The 74th constitutional amendment is related to ताहले हमर 74तम जो संविधान संशोधन नियम रहला हेडा काहाको रिलेटेड करिक अछि ऑप्शन अछि पंचायत म्युनिसिपैलिटीज इमरजेंसी प्रोविजन सिटीजनशिप यार करेक्ट आंसर होछि ऑप्शन बी म्युनिसिपैलिटीज। Allocation of seat in Rajya Sabha is mentioned in which state which schedule option अछि 4th schedule 5th schedule 7th schedule 8th schedule यार करेक्ट आंसर होछि ऑप्शन ए 4th schedule। तो राज्यसभा सीट कथा हमर 4th schedule ले वर्णना करा जायछि। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हम देखिबा The Finance Commission is constituted under which article? ऑप्शन अछि 280 324 312 315 यार करेक्ट आंसर होछि ऑप्शन ए आर्टिकल 280। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हु इज द एक्स ऑफिशियो चेयरमैन ऑफ द राज्यसभा? तो राज्यसभा रो एक्स ऑफिशियो चेयरमैन को कोन कहते ऑप्शन दिछि प्रेसिडेंट वाइस प्रेसिडेंट प्राइम मिनिस्टर स्पीकर ऑफ लोकसभा यार करेक्ट आंसर होछि ऑप्शन बी वाइस प्रेसिडेंट। The concept of procedure established by law has been borrowed from the constitution of option अछि USA, UK, Japan, Ireland यार करेक्ट आंसर होछि ऑप्शन सी जापान। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन right to constitutional remedies is provided under option अछि article 32 article 226 both A and B article 19 यार करेक्ट आंसर होछि both article 32 and 226 सेथिपाई ऑप्शन सी हेज हमर करेक्ट आंसर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन द वर्ड सोशलिस्ट एंड सेक्युलर मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन द वर्ड सोशलिस्ट एंड सेक्युलर were added to the preamble by which amendment? ताहले सोशलिस्ट एवं सेक्युलर जो दीटा टर्म हमर प्रिएम्बल ले ऐड करा जायछि को अमेंडमेंट रे ऑप्शन अछि 42 मते 44 तम फर्स्ट अमेंडमेंट 86 तम अमेंडमेंट यार करेक्ट आंसर होछि ऑप्शन ए 42nd बा 42 तम अमेंडमेंट रे हमर ऐड करा जायछि काहाको ना सोशलिस्ट एवं प्रिएम्बल जो दीटा वर्ड से दीटा को हमर सॉरी सोशलिस्ट एवं सेक्युलर जो दीटा वर्ड अछि ताहाको प्रिएम्बल ले हमर ऐड करा जायछि। The Attorney General of India is appointed by ताहले भारत रो Attorney General को किए अपॉइंट करंती ऑप्शन दिछि प्रेसिडेंट प्राइम मिनिस्टर चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया लोकसभा यार करेक्ट आंसर होछि ऑप्शन ए प्रेसिडेंट। The Comptroller and Auditor General of India is appointed by option अछि President, Prime Minister, Parliament, Finance Minister यार करेक्ट आंसर होछि President। ताहले कंट्रोलर ऑडिटर जनरल को मध्य हमर प्रेसिडेंट अपॉइंट करथांती। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन प्रेसिडेंट्स रोल इन ए स्टेट इज इम्पोज्ड अंडर व्हिच आर्टिकल? ऑप्शन अछि आर्टिकल 356 आर्टिकल 352 आर्टिकल 360 आर्टिकल 370 यार करेक्ट आंसर होछि ऑप्शन ए आर्टिकल 356। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन द इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया इज ए ऑप्शन अछि सिंगल मेंबर बॉडी मल्टी मेंबर बॉडी constitutional body both B and C यार करेक्ट आंसर होछि ऑप्शन डी both B and C और मल्टी मेंबर बॉडी कहले चलिबो constitutional body मध्ये कहले चलिबो। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन The current number of subject in the union list. Union list रे समुदाय वर्तमान केतोटी हमर सब्जेक्ट रहिछि ऑप्शन देछि 97 100 52 66 एहार करेक्ट आंसर होछि ऑप्शन बी 100 100 सब्जेक्ट हमर वर्तमान रहिछि यूनियन लिस्ट रे Residuary powers under the Indian Constitution are vested with option ଅଛି state, union, concurrent list, president. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option B, union. Next question. Who had the longest tenure as Prime Minister of India? ସବୁଠାରୁ ଅଧିକ ଦିନ ଧରି କିଏ ଆମ ଭାରତର ପ୍ରାଇମ ମିନିଷ୍ଟର କରିଥିଲେ? ଅପସନ ଦେଇଛି ଇନ୍ଦିରା ଗାନ୍ଧୀ, ଜବାହରଲାଲ ନେହେରୁ, ନରେନ୍ଦ୍ର ମୋଦି, ଅଟଳ ବିହାରୀ ବାଜପେୟୀ। ଏହାର କରେକ୍ଟ ଆନ୍ସର ହେଉଛି ଅପସନ ବି ଜବାହରଲାଲ ନେହେରୁ। ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଆମେ ଦେଖିବା ରାଇଟ୍ ଟୁ ଇକ୍ୱାଲିଟି ଇଜ ପ୍ରୋଭାଇଡେଡ୍ ଅଣ୍ଡର ଆର୍ଟିକଲ ତାହେଲେ ରାଇଟ୍ ଟୁ ଇକ୍ୱାଲିଟି ଟା ଆମର କୋଉ ଆର୍ଟିକଲରେ ରହିଛି ଅପସନ ଦେଇଛି 14 ରୁ 18 19 ରୁ 22 23 ରୁ 24 25 ରୁ 28 ଏହାର କରେକ୍ଟ ଆନ୍ସର ହେଉଛି ଅପସନ ଏ 14 ରୁ 18 ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ Freedom of speech and expression is guaranteed under option ଅଛି article 90 Article 19(1) ର A ରେ ନା B ରେ ନା C ରେ ନା D ରେ ଏହାର କରେକ୍ଟ ଆନ୍ସର ଟି ହେଉଛି ଅପସନ A Article 19 ର A ରେ ରହିଛି ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଆମେ ଦେଖିବା Right to education was made a fundamental right by which amendment ତାହେଲେ education को right to education को ଗୋଟେ fundamental right ହିସାବରେ ନିଆଯାଇଛି କୋଉ amendment ଅନୁସାରେ ଅପସନ ଦେଇଛି 86 ତମ 42 ତମ 44 ତମ 73 ତମ ଏହାର କରେକ୍ଟ ଆନ୍ସର ହେଉଛି 86 ତମ ସମ୍ବିଧାନ ସଂଶୋଧନ ନିୟମ ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ right against exploitation is covered under article 23 ରୁ 24 23 ରୁ 24 ମଧ୍ୟରେ ଆମର ରହିଛି right against exploitation next question freedom of religion is guaranteed under article 25 ରୁ 28 ସବୁ ଆର୍ଟିକଲ ଗୁଡାକ କୋଉଠୁ କୋଉ ମଧ୍ୟରେ କାହାକୁ ରଖାଯାଇଛି ତାହା ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ଅଟେ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଆପଣମାନେ ମନେ ରଖିବେ cultural and educational right are provided under article 29 ରୁ 30 ତାହେଲେ 29 ରୁ 30 ମଧ୍ୟରେ ଆମର କଲଚରାଲ ଏବଂ ଏଜୁକେଶନାଲ ରାଇଟ୍ କୁ ପ୍ରୋଭାଇଡ କରାଯାଇଛି ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟିଭ ପ୍ରିନ୍ସିପଲ ଅଫ ଷ୍ଟେଟ ପଲିସି ଆର୍ ଅପସନ ଅଛି ଜଷ୍ଟିସିଏବଲ ନନ୍ ଜଷ୍ଟିସିଏବଲ ଫଣ୍ଡାମେଣ୍ଟାଲ ରାଇଟ୍ ଏନଫୋର୍ସିଏବଲ ବାଇ କୋର୍ଟ ଏହାର କରେକ୍ଟ ଆନ୍ସର ଟି ହେଉଛି ନନ୍ ଜଷ୍ଟିସିଏବଲ ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ Which of the following is a Gandhian directive principle? Option ଅଛି promotion of cottage industries, uniform civil code, free legal aid, protection of government. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option A promotion of cottage industries. Which DPSP were added by the 42nd amendment? Option ଅଛି free legal aid, protection of environment, both A and B, none. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option C, both A and B, ଅର୍ଥାତ୍ free legal aid and protection of environment. Next question. Article 39 of the Constitution related to option ଅଛି equal pay for equal work, ownership and control of material resources, both A and B, none. ଏହାର କରେକ୍ଟ ଆନ୍ସର ହେଉଛି both A and B ଅର୍ଥାତ୍ equal pay for equal work ସମାନ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟ ପାଇଁ ସମାନ ମଜୁରୀ ownership and control of material resources ଏ ଦିଟା ଜିନିଷ ପାଇଁ ଆମର article 39 ରେ ସବୁ ଲିଖିତ ହୋଇଛି next question ଆମେ ଦେଖିବା right to property was removed as a fundamental right by which amendment ତାହେଲେ right to property ଆମର ଯୋଉ ରହିଥିଲା ଆମର ସମୁଦାୟ fundamental ଯୋଉ right ଅଛି ତ right to property ବା ସମ୍ପତ୍ତିଗତ ଅଧିକାରକୁ ଆମର ବାଦ ଦିଆଯାଇଛି ତ ହେଟା କୋଉ amendment ଅନୁସାରେ ଅପସନ ଦେଇଛି 44 ତମ 42 ତମ ପ୍ରଥମ 86 ତମ ଏହାର କରେକ୍ଟ ଆନ୍ସର ହେଉଛି ଅପସନ ଏ 44 ତମ ସମ୍ବିଧାନ ସଂଶୋଧନ ନିୟମ Next question. The writ of habeas corpus means option ଅଛି to have the body of, to forbid, we command, to be certified. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option A to have the body of. Mandamus writ is used option ଅଛି to command, to forbid, to inquiry by what authority? ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି to command। ତାହେଲେ mandamus writ ଟା ଆମର command ରେ used କରାଯାଏ। The writ of prohibition is used option ଅଛି to forbid, to produce, to command, to inquire। ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି to forbid। Certiorari writ means option ଅଛି to forbid, to be certified, to command, to produce body। ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option B to be certified। Next question, Q warranto writ is option ଅଛି to forbid, by what authority, to command, to produce। ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option B by what authority। Next question, which writ cannot be issued against a private individual? Option ଅଛି habeas corpus, mandamus, certiorari, prohibition। ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option B mandamus। Next question, Article 32 is called heart and soul of the Constitution by option ଅଛି Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Patel। ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option A Dr. B.R. Ambedkar। ତାହେଲେ Article 32 କୁ heart and soul of Constitution କହନ୍ତି କାହା ଦ୍ୱାରା ନା Dr. B.R. ଆମ୍ବେଦକରଙ୍କ ଦ୍ୱାରା ଏଟା କୁହାଯାଇଥିଲା। Fundamental right can be suspended during option ଅଛି national emergency, financial emergency, both, none। ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option A national emergency। ଯେତେବେଳେ ଜାତୀୟକାଳୀନ ପରିସ୍ଥିତି ପଡ଼ିବ ଆମର ସେଇ ସମୟରେ ଆମର fundamental right କୁ suspend ମଧ୍ୟ କରାଯାଇ ପାରିବ। Article 19 is automatically suspended during national emergency। Option ଦେଇଛି yes, no, only clause A, only during war। ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option A yes। ତାହେଲେ Article 19 ମଧ୍ୟ automatic suspended ହେଇଯିବ national emergency timeରେ। Which fundamental right are available only to citizens? Option ଅଛି 15, 16, 19, 29, 30, Article 14 ଏବଂ 21, Article 23 ଏବଂ 24, Article 25। ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option A Article 15, 16, 19, 29 ଏବଂ 30। Next question, right to life under Article 21 includes option ଅଛି right to clean environment, right to privacy, both A and B, none। ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି both A and B, right to clean environment and right to privacy। both ହେଇଯିବ ଆମର right to life article underରେ। Next question, which is not a fundamental right? ନିମ୍ନୋକ୍ତ ମଧ୍ୟରୁ ଗୋଟେ fundamental right ନୁହଁ। Option ଅଛି right to freedom, right to equality, right to work, right to education। ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option C right to work। ଆମର ତ right to work ଟା ଗୋଟେ fundamental right ନୁହଁ। Next question ଆମେ ଦେଖିବା, TPSP are mentioned in which part of the Constitution? Option ଅଛି part B, part 3, part IVA, part IV। ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option D part IV। Fundamental duties are mentioned in which part? Option ଅଛି part B, part IV, part 3, part IVA। ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option D part IVA। Originally, how many fundamental duties were added in 1976? Option ଅଛି 8, 11, 10, 12। ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option C 10ଟି। Next question, duty to protect the environment is under which article? Option ଅଛି Article 51A ର J, G, A, B। ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option B Article 51A ର G ପାର୍ଟରେ ଆମର କୁହାଯାଇଛି। The duty of parents to provide education to children was added by option ଅଛି 86ତମ, 42ତମ, 44ତମ, none। ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option A 86ତମ ସମ୍ବିଧାନ ସଂଶୋଧନ ନିୟମ, ଯୋଉଟାରେ ଆମର ଚିଲଡ୍ରେନ ମାନଙ୍କର ଏଜୁକେସନ କୁ ଆଡ୍ କରାଯାଇଛି, ଯୋଉଟା ବାଧ୍ୟତାମୂଳକ ଶିକ୍ଷା ପ୍ୟାରେଣ୍ଟସ୍ ମାନଙ୍କୁ ପ୍ରୋଭାଇଡ କରିକି ଆଡ୍ କରାଯାଇଛି। Next question, fundamental right are enforceable by option ଅଛି Supreme Court and High Court, Parliament, President, Prime Minister। ଏହାର କରେକ୍ଟ ଆନ୍ସର ହେଉଛି ଅପସନ ଏ ସୁପ୍ରିମ କୋର୍ଟ ଆଣ୍ଡ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ। Can fundamental rights be amended? Option ଅଛି yes without affecting basic structure, no only by president, only by state। ଏହାର କରେକ୍ଟ ଆନ୍ସର ହେଉଛି yes without affecting basic structure। ତାହେଲେ basic structure ଉପରେ affect ନ ପକାଇକି fundamental right କୁ amend କରିହବ। ତ ଅପସନ ଏ ହେଇଯିବ ଆମର କରେକ୍ଟ। A money bill can be introduced only in money bill को कोड introduce करा हुआ ऑप्शन ଦେଇଛି ଲୋକସଭା राज्यसभा both houses neither house। ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି ଅପସନ ଏ ଲୋକସଭା। Who certifies whether a bill is a money bill or not? ତାହେଲେ କିଏ ଆମର certify କରନ୍ତି ଏଟା money bill କି ନୁହଁ ବୋଲି ଅପସନ ଅଛି ପ୍ରେସିଡେଣ୍ଟ, ପ୍ରାଇମ ମିନିଷ୍ଟର, ସ୍ପିକର ଅଫ ଲୋକସଭା, ଚେୟାରମ୍ୟାନ ଅଫ ରାଜ୍ୟସଭା। ଏହାର କରେକ୍ଟ ଆନ୍ସର ହେଉଛି ଅପସନ ସି ସ୍ପିକର ଅଫ ଲୋକସଭା। The decision of the speaker on whether a bill is a money bill is option ଅଛି subject to judicial review, final and cannot be questioned in court, reviewed by president, reviewed by Rajya Sabha। ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option B final and cannot be questioned in court। Next question, Rajya Sabha can detail a money bill for a maximum of how many days? Option ଅଛି 14 days, 30 days, 6 months, no limit। ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option A 14 days। If Rajya Sabha does not return a money bill within 14 days, it is deemed to have been option ଅଛି rejected, passed, amended, sent back for reconsideration। ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option B passed। Next question, Rajya Sabha can option ଅଛି amend or reject a money bill, only make recommendation on a bill, introduce a money bill, certify a money bill। correct answer ହେଉଛି only make recommendation on a money bill। Next question, a joint sitting of both houses can be summoned for option ଅଛି money bill, ordinary bill and financial bill, constitutional amendment bill, all type of bills। ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି ordinary bill and finance bill। Next, joint sitting of parliament is presided over by option ଅଛି president, vice president, speaker of Lok Sabha, prime minister। ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option C speaker of Lok Sabha। The minimum number of members required for quorum in Lok Sabha is option ଅଛି 1/10 of total membership, 1/5 of total membership, 50 members, 25 members। correct ହେଉଛି 1/10 of total membership। The minimum quorum in Rajya Sabha is option ଅଛି 25, 1/10 of total membership, 50 members, 1/5 of total membership। correct ହେଉଛି option A 25 members। Next, the speaker of Lok Sabha is removed by option ଅଛି president, resolution passed by majority of all the member of Lok Sabha, prime minister, Rajya Sabha। correct ହେଉଛି option B resolution passed by majority of all member of Lok Sabha। ତ ଏମାନଙ୍କ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଗୋଟେ ମେଜର ଲୋକ ଆମର ଲୋକସଭାର ମେଜର ଲୋକଙ୍କ ଦ୍ୱାରା ହେଟା ପାସ୍ ହେଇଯିବ, ତାପରେ ଲୋକସଭାର ସ୍ପିକରକୁ ରିମୁଭ୍ କରାଯାଇ ପାରିବ, ସେତେବେଳେ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ କରାଯାଇ ପାରିବ ନାହିଁ। Next, the deputy speaker of Lok Sabha is elected by option ଅଛି president, member of Lok Sabha, prime minister, all member of parliament। ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option B member of Lok Sabha। Who presides over the joint sitting of parliament in the absence of speaker? Option ଅଛି vice president, deputy speaker of Lok Sabha, prime minister, leader of opposition। correct ହେଉଛି option B deputy speaker of Lok Sabha। 0 hour in parliament refers to option ଅଛି time for question hour, time immediately following question hour for raising matter without notice, time for no confidence motion, time for adjournment। ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option B time immediately following question hour for raising matter without notice। Next, The maximum strength of Lok Sabha is option ଅଛି 543, 552, 545, 250। ତ ଲୋକସଭାର ମ୍ୟାକ୍ସିମମ୍ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରେନ୍ଥ କେତେ ନା 552 ଜଣ। ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଅପସନ ବି ହେଇଯିବ ମୋର କରେକ୍ଟ ଆନ୍ସର। ନେକ୍ସଟ, the term of Lok Sabha can be extended during national emergency by 1 year at a time, 6 months at a time, unlimited, not possible। Correct होची option A, 1 year at a time। Rajya Sabha is a option अछि permanent house, temporary house, dissolved every 5 years, dissolved with Lok Sabha। Correct answer होची permanent house। 1/3 member of Rajya Sabha retire every option अछि 2 year, 3 year, 5 year, 6 year। Correct होची option A, 2 year। Next, the maximum strength of Rajya Sabha। Rajya Sabha ପାଇଁ maximum strength କେତେ option ଅଛି 250, 245, 552, 543। Correct होची option A, 250। Who summons the section of parliament? Option अछि prime minister, president, speaker, vice president। Correct होची option B, president। Next, how many seasons, how many sections of parliament are usually held in a year? Total ଆମର parliament ରେ କେତେଟା section ହଉଛି? option ଅଛି 2, 3, 4, 1। Correct ହଉଛି option B, 3। Next, no confidence motion can be moved only in option अछि Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha, both houses, neither। Correct होची option B, Lok Sabha। Next question, adjournment sign died means option अछि adjournment for a fixed period, adjournment without fixing a date, prorogation, resolution। Correct होची option B, adjournment without fixing a date। Prorogation of parliament is done by option अछि speaker, president, prime minister, vice president। ଏହାର correct answer होची president। Dissolution of Lok Sabha is done by option अछि president on advice of prime minister, speaker, Rajya Sabha, automatically after 5 years। Correct होची option A, president on advice of prime minister। Which bill requires prior recommendation of president for introduction? Option अछि ordinary bill, money bill, financial bill, both B and C। Correct होची option D, both money bill and financial bill। Court motion is related to option अछि demand for grants, finance bill, appropriation bill, money bill। Correct answer होची option A, demand for grants। The budget section usually begins in option अछि January, February, March and April। ଏହାର correct answer होची option B, February। Next question, who can dissolve the Lok Sabha before completion of its term? Option अछि president, prime minister, speaker, cabinet। Correct होची option A, president। The parliament can make laws on subject in state list during option अछि national emergency, president's rule in state, Rajya Sabha resolution under Act 249, all of the above। Correct answer होची option D, all of the above। ताମାନେ national emergency, president rule in state, Rajya Sabha resolution under article 249 ये सब ଆମର state lit ର subject ରେ ରହୁଛି। There shall be a president of India as per which article? ତ ଭାରତରେ ଜଣେ president ରହିବ। ଏଇଟା ଆମର କୋଉ article ରେ କୁହାଯାଇଥିଲା? Option D is article 52, article 53, article 54, article 55। ଏହାର correct answer होची option A, article 52। Next question, the executive power of the union vests in option अछि prime minister, president, council of minister, parliament। Correct होची option B, president। Next, the president of India is elected by option अछि direct election by citizen, electoral college consisting of elected member of parliament, state legislative assembly, member of Lok Sabha only, member of Rajya Sabha only। So correct answer होची option B, electoral college consisting of elected member of parliament and state legislative assemblies। The minimum age to become प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया इज भारत रो प्रेसिडेंट हेबा पई केते मिनिमम एज रहिछि एहार करेक्ट आंसर होछि ऑप्शन बी 35 इयर्स The term of office of the president is option ଅଛି 5 year 6 year 4 year during pleasure of parliament ଏହାର correct answer होछि option A 5 year The president can be impeached under which article? Option ଅଛି Article 56, Article 61, Article 72, Article 75. Correct होछि option B Article 61. Next, the president can issue ordinances when option अछि Parliament is in session, both houses of Parliament are not in session, only Lok Sabha is not in session, only Rajya Sabha is not in session. Correct answer होछि option B. Both houses of parliament are not in session. The power to promulgate ordinances is under which article? Option अछि Article 72, Article 123, Article 143, Article 356. Correct answer होछि option B. Article 123. The ordinance promulgated by the President has the same force as option अछि a constitutional amendment, an act of parliament, a Supreme Court judgment, a state law. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option B, an act of parliament. Next question. The President must lay an ordinance before parliament when it reassembles and it changes to operate if not approved within option अछि 6 weeks from reassembly, 1 month, 3 month. Correct होछि option B 6 weeks from reassembly. Next question. The president has which type of veto power when he can withhold assent indefinitely? Option अछि absolute veto, suspensive veto, pocket veto, qualified veto. ଏହାର correct answer होछि option C pocket veto. Next, suspensive veto of the president means option अछि he reject the bill permanently, he return the bill to reconsideration, he keeps it pending indefinitely, he has no veto on money bill. ଏହାର correct answer होछि he returns the bill for reconsideration. Option B ହେଇଯିବ ଆମର correct. ଏଟା ହେଉଛି ଆମର ପ୍ରେସିଡେଣ୍ଟ ର ସସ୍ପେନ୍ସିଭ ଭେଟୋରେ ଯାଉଛି ଯୋଉଟାରେ ସେ ବିଲ୍ ଟାକୁ କଣ କରିପାରିବ ରିଟର୍ନ କରିବ ଆଉ ଥରେ ରିକନସିଡରେସନ ପାଇଁ. Next question. The president has no veto power over option ଅଛି ordinary bill, money bill, constitutional amendment bill, finance bill. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option B money bill. The pardoning power of the president is under option होछि Article 72, Article 74, Article 123, Article 143. ଏହାର correct answer होछि option A Article 72. Next question. The president can grant pardon in cases of option अछि court martial only, death sentences only, all punishment under union law and court martials, state laws only. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି all punishment under union laws and court martials. There shall be a council of ministers with the prime minister at the head to aid and advise the president as per option अछि Article 74, Article 75, Article 78, Article 163. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option A Article 74. The prime minister is appointed by option अछि Lok Sabha, president, parliament, citizens. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି president. Other ministers are appointed by the president option अछि on his discretion, on the advice of the prime minister, on the advice of Lok Sabha, on the advice of Rajya Sabha. Correct होछि on the advice of the prime minister. The council of ministers is collectively responsible to option अछि president, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, parliament. Correct होछि option B Lok Sabha. Minister hold office during the pleasure of option अछि president, prime minister, Lok Sabha, parliament. Correct answer होची option A, President. Next question. The Prime Minister duties to keep the Presidents informed are under option আছে Article 74, Article 75, Article 78, Article 123. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option C, Article 78. There shall be a governor of each state as per Article 152 ନା Article 153, Article 154, Article 155. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option B, Article 153. The governor of a state is appointed by option ଅଛି Prime Minister, President, Chief Minister, Lok Sabha. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option B, President. The term of office of governor is option ଅଛି 5 year, 6 year, pleasure of the president, 5 year or pleasure of the president. Correct answer ହେଉଛି option D, 5 year or the pleasure of president. Next question. The executive power of the state vests in option ଅଛି chief minister, governor, council of minister, state legislature. Correct answer ହେଉଛି option B, governor. The governor can promulgate ordinances when state legislature is in session, state legislature is not in session, only Vidhan Sabha not in session, only Vidhan Parishad not in session. Correct answer होची option B, state legislature is not in session. Ordinance power of governor is under option আছে Article 123, Article 213, Article 356, Article 161. Correct answer होची option B, Article 213. The governor can grant pardons under option ଅଛି Article 72, Article 161, Article 163, Article 356. Correct answer होची option B, Article 161. The governor acts on the aid and advice of President, Chief Minister or Council of Ministers, State Legislature, High Court. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option B, Chief Minister and Council of Ministers. In case of conflict, the governor can reserve a bill for the consideration of option ଅଛି Parliament, Prime Minister, Chief Justice, State High Court. Correct ହେଉଛି option A, President. The Supreme Court of India is established under which part of the Constitution? Option ଅଛି Part V, Part VI, Part V second, Part V third. Correct होची option A, Part V. The Supreme Court shall consist of a Chief Justice of India and how many other judges? Option ଅଛି 7, 30, 25, no fixed member. Correct answer होची option A, 7. The Chief Justice of India is appointed by option अछि Prime Minister, President, Parliament, Collegium. Correct होची option B, President. Judges of Supreme Court hold office until the age of option अछि 60 year, 62 year, 65 year, 70 year. ଏହାର correct answer होची option C, 65 years. Next question. A judge of the Supreme Court can be removed by option अछि President alone, impeachment by Parliament, special majority in both houses, Parliament's ministers advice, Chief Justice recommendation. ଏହାର correct answer होची option B, impeachment by Parliament. Next, the Supreme Court has original jurisdiction in disputes between option अछि Union and State, 2 or more state, both A and B citizens only. ଏହାର correct answer होची option C, both A and B or both Union and State, 2 or more state. Next question. Appellate jurisdiction of Supreme Court includes option अछि appeals from High Court in civil, criminal and constitutional matter, only civil appeals, only criminal appeals, no appeals jurisdiction. Correct होची option A, appeals from High Court in civil, criminal and constitutional matter. Next, the Supreme Court can transfer cases from one High Court to another or to itself under option अछि Article 136, Article 139A, Article 32, Article 226. यार करेक्ट आंसर होची ऑप्शन बी आर्टिकल 139A. Next question, special leave petition is provided under option ଅଛି Article 32, Article 136, Article 126, sorry, Article 226, Article 131. Correct answer होची option B, Article 136. The power of Supreme Court to review its own judgment is under option ଅଛି Article 137, Article 142, Article 144, Article 145. Correct option A, Article 137. Article 142 empowers the Supreme Court to pass any order necessary for option ଅଛି complete justice, enforcing a fundamental right, advisory opinion, transfer of cases. ଏହାର କରେକ୍ଟ ଆନ୍ସର ହଉଛି ଅପସନ ନମ୍ବର ଏ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ ଜଷ୍ଟିସ. ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ. Advisory jurisdiction of Supreme Court is under option ଅଛି Article 143, Article 32, Article 131, Article 226. Correct option A, Article 143. The Supreme Court can issue writs under option ଅଛି Article 32 only, Article 226 only, Article 32 for enforcement of fundamental right, Article 226 for any purpose. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option C, Article 32 for enforcement of fundamental rights. Next question. High Court are established for each state or group of state under option Article 2, Article 214, Article 124, Article 226, Article 32. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option A, Article 214. The Chief Justice of a High Court is appointed by ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option B, President. ଏହାକୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ଆମେ ପଢିଥିଲେ. Next question ଆମେ ଦେଖିବା. Judges of a High Court hold office until the age of option ଅଛି 60 years, 62 years, 65 years, 70 years. Correct ହେଉଛି option B, 62 years. Next, High Court have power to issue writs under option ଅଛି Article 32, Article 226, Article 136, Article 143. Correct was option B, Article 226. The jurisdiction of High Court under Article 226 is wider than Supreme Court's under Article 32 because if it can issue writs for enforcement of fundamental right only, it can issue writs for enforcement of fundamental right and for any other purpose. It can issue writs against union. It has no writ jurisdiction. एହାର correct answer होची option B. It can issue writ for enforcement of fundamental right and for any other purpose. Option B is the correct answer. Next question. The concept of judicial review in India is borrowed from option ଅଛି UK, USA, Ireland, Canada. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option B, USA. Which case established the basic structure doctrine? Option ଅଛି ଗୋଲକନାଥ case, କେଶବାନନ୍ଦ ଭାରତୀ case, ମିନର୍ଭା ମିଲ୍ case, ଶଙ୍କରୀ ପ୍ରସାଦ case. Correct ହେଉଛି option B, କେଶବାନନ୍ଦ ଭାରତୀ case, ଯୋଉଟା ଆମର 1973 ରେ ହେଇଥିଲା. The collegium system for appointment of judges was evolved in which state? Option ଅଛି first judges case, second judges case, third judges case, NJAC case. Correct ହେଉଛି option B, second judges case. Next question. The National Judicial Appointment Commission NJAC was struck down by Supreme Court in option ଅଛି 2015, 2013, 1993, 1973. Correct answer ହେଉଛି 2015. Option A ହେଇଯିବ ମୋର correct. Next question. Independence of judiciary is a part of option ଅଛି preamble, fundamental right, basic structure of constitution, directive principle. Correct होची option C, basic structure of constitution. Next question. The salary of Supreme Court judges is charged on option अछि consolidated fund of India, contingency fund, public account, state fund. ଏହାର correct answer होची option A, consolidated fund of India. Next, A retired Supreme Court judge can be appointed to act as judge with consent of option ଅଛି President, Chief Justice of India, both Parliament. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option C, both. The Supreme Court can punish for contempt of itself under option ଅଛି Article 129, Article 215, Article 142, Article 32. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option A, Article 129. Next question. High Court are court of record as per option ଅଛି Article 215, Article 129, Article 226, Article 32. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option A, Article 215. Next question. Which writ is issued to secure the release of a person on unlawfully detained? Option ଅଛି mandamus, prohibition, habeas corpus, certiorari. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option C, habeas corpus. Which writ is issued against a lower court to prevent it from exceeding its jurisdiction? Option ଅଛି mandamus, prohibition, certiorari, Q warranto. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option B, prohibition. Next question. Which writ is used to quash the order of a lower court or tribunal? Option ଅଛି habeas corpus, mandamus, certiorari, prohibition. Correct ହେଉଛି option C, certiorari. The division of legislative power between center and state is mentioned in which schedule? Option ଅଛି 4th schedule, 5th schedule, 7th schedule, 9th schedule. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option C, 7th schedule. How many lists are there in the 7th schedule? Option ଅଛି 2, 3, 4, 5. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option B, 3. Which list contains subject on which only Parliament can make laws? Option ଅଛି state list, concurrent list, union list, residuary list. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option C, union list. The concurrent number of subject in the union list is option ଅଛି 97, 100, 66, 52. Correct answer ହେଉଛି option B, 100. The state list originally had how many subjects? Option ଅଛି 66, 97, 52, 47. ଏହାର correct answer ଟି ହେଉଛି option A, 66. The concurrent list contains subject on which option ଅଛି only state can legislate, both center and state can legislate, only center can legislate, neither can legislate. Correct ହେଉଛି option B, both center and state can legislate. In case of conflict between union law and state law on a concurrent subject, which prevails? Option ଅଛି state law, union law, president's decision, Supreme Court decision. Correct ହେଉଛି option B, union law. Residuary power are vested with option ଅଛି state, union, concurrent jurisdiction, president. Correct answer ହେଉଛି option B, union. Parliament can legislate on state list subject under which article during national emergency? Option ଅଛି Article 352, Article 356, Article 249, Article 250. ଏହାର correct answer ଟି ହେଉଛି option A, Article 352. Under Article 249, Parliament can legislate on state list if national emergency is proclaimed, Rajya Sabha passes resolution by 2/3 majority, President's rule is imposed, states give consent. Correct answer ହେଉଛି option B, Rajya Sabha passes resolution by 2/3 majority. During President's rule in a state, Parliament can legislate on option ଅଛି union list only, state list subject of that state, concurrent list only, residuary subject only. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option B, state list subject of that state. The administrative relation between center and states are dealt with in option ଅଛି Article 256 to 263, Article 245 to 255, Article 124 to 147, Article 153 to 162. Correct is option A, Article 256 to Article 263. Next question, the center can give direction to states under option A, Article 256, Article 257, both A and B, Article 263. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option C, both A and B. Next question, the Interstate Council is provided under option ଅଛି Article 263, Article 280, Article 312, Article 315. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option A, Article 263. The Interstate Council was established in which year? Option ଅଛି 1950, 1990, 1976, 2000. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option B, 1990. The Sarkaria Commission was appointed in option ଅଛି 1983, 2007, 1966, 2010. Correct answer ହେଉଛି option A, 1983. The Panchi Commission of Center-State Relation was set up in option ଅଛି 2007, 1983, 1990, 2015. Correct answer ହେଉଛି option A, 2007. Which of the following is a recommendation of Sarkaria Commission? Option ଅଛି abolish Article 356. Governor should be appointed in consultation with Chief Minister. Both A and B, none. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option B. Governor should be appointed in consultation with Chief Minister. Financial relation between state and center are governed by option ଅଛି Article 268 ରୁ 293, Article 256 ରୁ 263, Article 245 ରୁ 255, Article 124 ରୁ 147. Correct ହେଉଛି option A, Article 268 ରୁ 293. The Finance Commission is constituted every 5 year, 10 year, 6 year as decided by President. Correct ହେଉଛି 5 year. The Finance Commission is appointed by option ଅଛି President, Prime Minister, Parliament, Comptroller and Auditor General. Correct answer ହେଉଛି option A, President. Which tax is not shared between center and state? Option ଅଛି income tax, GST, corporation tax, customs duty. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option C, corporation tax. The good and service taxes or GST ଯାହାକୁ ଆମେ କହୁଥିବା was introduced by which constitutional amendment? Option ଅଛି 101, 99, 102, 103. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option A, 101 ସମ୍ବିଧାନ ସଂଶୋଧନ ନିୟମ. The GST Council is option ଅଛି constitutional body, statutory body, executive body, advisory body. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option A, constitutional body. The borrowing power of state is restricted by option ଅଛି Article 293, Article 292, both A and B, Article 280. ଏହାର correct answer ଟି ହେଉଛି option A, Article 293. During financial emergency, the president can option ଅଛି reduce salary of government servant, on direct state to reduce salaries, both A and B, none. ଏହାର correct answer ଟି ହେଉଛି option C, both A and B. Which article provides for grant in aid from center to state? Option ଅଛି Article 275, Article 282, both A and B, Article 280. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option C, Article both 275 and 282. Next question. The Zonal Council were established under option ଅଛି State Reorganization Act, Article 263, Sarkaria Commission Recommendation 7th Schedule. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option A, State Reorganization Act 1956. Niti Aayog replaced which body? Option ଅଛି Finance Commission, Planning Commission, Interstate Council, GST Council. Correct ହେଉଛି option B, Planning Commission. Which of the following is a feature of Indian federalism? Option ଅଛି dual polity, written and rigid constitution, Independent judiciary, all of the above. Correct होची option D, all of the above. The 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act is related to option A municipalities, Panchayati Raj institution, cooperative societies, anti-defection. ଏହାର correct answer ଟି ହେଉଛି option B, Panchayati Raj institution. Next, the 73rd Amendment came into force in the year option A 1992, 1993, 1994, 1995. Correct होची option B, 1993. The 74th Constitutional Amendment Act is related to option A Panchayat, municipalities, scheduled area, tribal area. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option B, municipalities. The 74th Amendment came into force in the year option C 1992, 1993, 1994, 1995. ଏହାର correct answer ଟି ହେଉଛି option B, 1993. Panchayats at which level are mandatory under the 73rd Amendment? Option C, village level only, village and intermediate level only, village, intermediate and district level, only district level. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option C, village, intermediate and district level. The 73rd Amendment added which part of the Constitution? Option ଅଛି part IX, part IX-A, part X, part XI. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option A, part IX. The 74th Amendment added which part of the Constitution? Option C, part IX, part IX-A, part X, part XI. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option B, part IX-A. The Grama Sabha is defined under which article? Option A, article 243A, article 243B, article 243G, article 243K. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option A, article 243A. The minimum age to contest Panchayat election is option A 18, 21, 25, 30. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option B, 21 years. Reservation for women in Panchayat and municipalities is at least option ଅଛି 1/3, 1/2, 25%, no reservation. Correct answer ହେଉଛି 1/3. The 11th schedule of the Constitution lists power and function of option C municipalities, Panchayat, state legislature, union territories. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option B, Panchayat. How many subjects are listed in the 11th schedule? Option ଅଛି 18, 29, 52, 100. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option B, 29. The 12th schedule of the Constitution lists power and function of option C Panchayat, municipalities, Jilla Parishad, Grama Sabha. Correct होची option B, municipalities. How many subjects are listed in 12th schedule? Option ଅଛି 18, 29, 12. ଏହାର correct answer ଟି होची option A, 18. Next question. The State Election Commission is constituted under option C Article 243K, Article 243ZA, both A and B, Article 324. Correct answer होची option C, both A and B. The State Finance Commission is constituted under option C Article 243I, Article 243Y, both A and B, Article 280. ଏହାର correct answer होची option C, both A and B. The term of Panchayat and municipalities is option C 3 year, 5 year, 6 year during pleasure of governor. Correct answer होची option B, 5 year. If a Panchayat is dissolved before completion of its term, fresh election must be held within 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, no limit time. Correct होची option B, 6 months. Which article provide for the composition of Panchayat? Option ଅଛି Article 243B, Article 243C, Article 243D, Article 243G. Correct होची option B, Article 243C. Reservation of seat in Panchayat for SC ST is in proportion to option अछि their population in the state, their population in the panchayat area, fixed 15%, fixed 7.5%. Correct होची option B, their population in the panchayat area. The Balbant Mehta Committee recommended option अछि 3-tier Panchayati Raj system, 2-tier Panchayati Raj system, only Gram Panchayat municipalities. Correct होची option A, 3-tier Panchayati Raj system. The Ashok Mehta Committee recommended option अछि 2-tier Panchayati Raj system, 3-tier Panchayati Raj system, 4-tier system, no Panchayat. Correct होची option A, 2-tier Panchayati Raj system. The GVK Rao Committee emphasized option अछि regular election to Panchayat, strengthening Jilla Parishad, both A and B, municipalities only. Correct होची option C, both A and B. The LM Singhvi Committee recommended option अछि constitutional status to Panchayat, Grama Sabha as foundation, both A and B, only financial power. Correct होची option C, both A and B. Nagar Panchayat are constituted for areas in option अछि rural to urban transition, purely urban areas, purely rural areas, metropolitan cities. Correct answer होची option A, rural to urban transition. Municipal corporation is for option अछि small town, larger urban areas, village, district. Correct answer होची option B, larger urban areas. Municipal council is for option अछि small urban area, large city, transitional area, rural area. एହାର correct answer होची small urban areas. The district planning committee is provided under option अछि article 243 ZT, article 243 ZE, article 243 G, article 243 K. एହାର correct answer होची option A, article 243 ZD. The Metropolitan Planning Committee is for areas with population option अछि 5 lakh or more, 10 lakh or more, 20 lakh or more, no population criterion. एହାର correct answer होची option B, 10 lakh or more. Which of the following is not a function listed in the 11th schedule? Option अछि agriculture, land improvement, foreign affairs, minor forest produce. एହାର correct answer होची option C, foreign affairs. The first constitutional amendment act was related to option अछि freedom of speech restriction, land reform and zamindari abolition, both A and B, reservation in jobs. Correct answer होची option C, both A and B. The seventh constitutional amendment act was enacted to impeachment option अछि State Reorganization Act, Panchayati Raj, Municipalities, Anti-Defection Law. Correct होची State Reorganization Act. Next question, the 24th Constitutional Amendment Act affirmed Parliament's power to option अछि amend any part of the Constitution including fundamental right, abolish fundamental rights, change preamble, reduce term of Lok Sabha. Correct answer होची option A, amend any part of the Constitution including fundamental rights. The 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act is also known as option अछि mini constitution, major amendment, emergency amendment, all of the above. Correct answer होची option A, mini constitution. Which of the following was added of the preamble by the 42nd Amendment? Option अछि socialist and secular, integrity, both A and B, democratic only. एହାର correct answer होची option C, both A and B, socialist, secular and integrity. तीनटा जाक word हमर 42nd amendment रे हमर preamble रे add कर जायथिला. Fundamental duties were added to the Constitution by option अछि 42तम संविधान संशोधन नियम, 44तम संविधान संशोधन नियम, 86तम संविधान संशोधन नियम, फर्स्ट संविधान संशोधन नियम. एହାର करेक्ट आंसर होछि ऑप्शन ए 42तम संविधान संशोधन नियम. The right to property was removed as a fundamental right by एହାର करेक्ट आंसर टी होछि 44तम संविधान संशोधन नियम जहाँ अनुसार संपत्तिगत अधिकार को आमर कौन फंडामेंटल राइट रु रिमूव कराला बा बाद दिया जायथिला। The 44th Amendment restored which right as a legal right. Option अच्छी right to equality, right to property, right to freedom, right to education. यार correct answer होचे option B right to property. Next question. The 52nd Constitutional Amendment Act introduced option अच्छी anti-defection law, पंचायती राज, GST, EWS reservation. Correct answer होची option A anti-defection law. The 10th schedule was added by which amendment? Option अच्छी 42nd, 52nd, 61st, 73rd. यार correct answer टी होची option B 52nd amendment. Next question. The voting age was reduced from 21 to 18 years by option C 52nd Amendment, 61st Amendment, 73rd Amendment, 86th Amendment. यार correct answer होची option B 61st Amendment. The 73rd and 74th Amendment were passed in the year option C 1992, 1993, both enacted in 92 and effective in 93 ଆଉ 1994। ଏହାର କରେକ୍ଟ ଆନ୍ସର ହେଉଛି ଅପସନ ସି ଏନାକ୍ଟ ହେଇଥିଲା 1992ରେ କିନ୍ତୁ ଇଫେକ୍ଟିଭ ହେଇଥିଲା ଆମର 1993ରେ। Right to education was inserted by option ଅଛି 73rd, 74th Amendment, 86th Amendment, 101st Amendment। ଏହାର କରେକ୍ଟ ଆନ୍ସର ହେଉଛି 86th Constitutional Amendment Act। The 86th Amendment also added a fundamental duty under Article 51A(k) is related to option अच्छी protection of environment, parent to provide education to children aged 6 to 14, scientific temper, equality of opportunity. यार correct answer होची option B parent to provide education to children aged 6 to 14. The 91st Constitutional Amendment Act limited the size of Council of Ministers to 10% of total member of Lok Sabha, 50% of total member of the House, fixed 50 minister, no limit. यार correct answer होची option B 15% of total members of the House. The 97th Constitutional Amendment Act gave constitutional status to option अच्छी पंचायत, municipalities, cooperative society, नीति आयोग। यार correct answer होची option C cooperative societies। The 99th Constitutional Amendment Act was related to option अच्छी GST, National Judicial Appointment Commission, EWS reservation, voting age। यार करेक्ट आंसर होची ऑप्शन बी नेशनल जुडिशियल अपॉइंटमेंट कमिशन। The 99th Amendment was struck down by Supreme Court in option अच्छी 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018। यार करेक्ट आंसर होची ऑप्शन ए 2015। The 101st Constitutional Amendment Act introduced option अच्छी right to education, good and service tax, anti-defection law, EWS reservation। यार correct answer होची option B good and service tax। The GST Council was constituted under which new article by 101st Amendment? Correct answer होची Article 279A, Article 280, Article 243, Article 324। यार correct answer होची option A, Article 279A। The 102nd Constitutional Amendment Act granted constitutional status to यार option अच्छी National Commission for Backward Classes, National Commission for Scheduled Caste, National Commission for Women Finance Commission। यार correct answer होची option A National Commission for Backward Classes। Next question. The 103rd Constitutional Amendment Act provide option अच्छी 10% reservation for economically weaker section, reservation for women in parliament, GST changes, cooperative reform। यार correct answer होची option A 10% reservation for economically weaker section by EWS। Next, The EWS reservation under 103rd Amendment applies to option ଅଛି only government job and educational institution, only educational institution, private sector only. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option B government job and educational institutions. The 104th Constitutional Amendment Act extended reservation for ST/ST in Lok Sabha and state assemblies till option is 2030, 2020, 2040 abolished it. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option A 2030. The 104th Amendment also abolished option ଅଛି nomination of Anglo-Indian to Lok Sabha, reservation for Anglo-Indians both A and B, none. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option C both A and B. Which amendment removed the word socialist and secular from preamble? Preamble ରୁ socialist ଏବଂ secular word ଟା କୋଉ amendment ଦ୍ୱାରା remove କରାଯାଇଥିଲା? Option ଅଛି 42nd, 44th, no such amendment, first. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option C, no such amendment. The 44th Amendment restores the original term of Lok Sabha and state assemblies to option ଅଛି 5 years, 6 years, 4 years during emergency. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option A 5 years. Which amendment made it compulsory for the president to give assent to constitutional amendment bills? Option ଅଛି 24th, 42nd, no 61st. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option C, no such amendment. Next question. The 95th Constitutional Amendment Act extended reservation for option ଅଛି SC/ST in legislature till 2030, OBC in jobs, women in panchayat, EWS. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option A, SC or ST in legislature till 2030. Which recent amendment provides for women's reservation in Lok Sabha and state assemblies? Option ଅଛି 105ତମ, 106ତମ, 128ତମ, 107ତମ. ଏହାର correct answer ଟି ହେଉଛି option C 128ତମ. Next question. National emergency can be proclaimed under which article? Option ଅଛି article 352, article 356, article 360, article 370. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option A article 352. National emergency can be declared on the ground of option ଅଛି war, external aggression, armed rebellion, all of the above. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option D all of the above. Before the 44th Amendment, the ground for national emergency included option ଅଛି internal disturbance, armed rebellion, financial instability, political instability. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option A internal disturbance. After the 44th Amendment, internal disturbance was replaced by option ଅଛି war, armed rebellion, external aggression, financial emergency. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option B armed rebellion. Proclamation of national emergency requires option ଅଛି cabinet recommendation in writing, prime minister's advice only, parliament's approval first, president's declaration. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option A cabinet recommendation in writing. The proclamation of national emergency must be approved by both houses of parliament within option ଅଛି 1 month, 2 month, 1 month, 6 month. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option A 1 month. Now after 44th Amendment. Next question. Once approved, national emergency can continue for option ଅଛି 6 months at a time, 1 year at a time, unlimited 3 months. ଏହାର correct answer ଟି ହେଉଛି option A 6 months at a time. During national emergency, the center can legislate on option ଅଛି state list subject, concurrent list only, union list only, residuary subject only. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option A state list subject. Which fundamental rights are automatically suspended during national emergency? Option ଅଛି article 19, article 20 and 21. All fundamental rights none. Correct ହେଉଛି option A article 19 only. Next, Article 20 and 21 cannot be suspended even during national emergency after which amendment? Option ଅଛି 42nd Amendment, 44th Amendment, 1st Amendment, 86th Amendment. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option B 44th Amendment. President's role in a state is imposed under option ଅଛି Article 352, Article 356, Article 360, Article 365. Correct ହେଉଛି option B Article 356. President's role can be imposed if the governor report that the state government cannot be carried on in accordance with option अछि provision of the constitution, directive principle, fundamental duty, preamble. Correct ହେଉଛି option A provision of the constitution. The maximum initial period for president's rule is option ଅଛି 6 month, 1 month, 2 year, 3 year. Correct ହେଉଛି option A 6 month. The president's role can be extended beyond 1 year only if national emergency is in force, election commission certifies difficulty in holding election, both A and B, parliament approves. Correct answer होची option C, both A and B. जो national emergency is in force and election commission satisfies difficulty in holding election. ସେଥିପାଇଁ option C ହେଇଯିବ ମୋର correct answer. The maximum total duration of president rule in a state is option ଅଛି 1 year, 3 year, 5 year, unlimited. Correct answer ଟି ହେଉଛି option B 3 year. During president's rule, the legislative power of the state are exercised by option अछि governor, parliament, president, both B and C. Correct answer होची both B and C or parliament and president. Next, financial emergency can be proclaimed under option अछि article 352, article 356, article 360, article 370. ଏହାର correct answer होची article 360. Next, financial emergency is proclaimed if the financial stability or credit of India or any part is threatened due to option अछि war, external aggression, threat to financial stability and rebellion. Correct होची option C, threat to financial stability. Financial emergency has been proclaimed in India. Option अछि once, never, twice, 3 times. Correct answer ଟି होची option B, never. During financial emergency, the president can option अछि reduce salaries of government servant, direct states to reduce salaries of the employees, both A and B, suspend fundamental right. Correct answer होची option C, both A and B. The proclamation of financial emergency requires approval of parliament within 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, no approval needed. Correct होची option B, 2 months. Which emergency affect the federal structure most drastically? Option अछि national emergency, president's rule, financial emergency, all equally. Correct answer होची option A, national emergency. During national emergency, the center can give direction to state regarding option अछि executive matter, legislative matter, both none. Correct होची option C, none. Sorry, option C, both executive matter and legislative matter. The term proclamation of emergency in Article 352 refers to option अछि national emergency only, president's role only, financial emergency only, all three. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option A, national emergency only. Which article provides that during national emergency, Parliament can make laws extending to state? Option अछि article 250, article 249, article 352, article 356. Correct answer होछि option A, article 250. The life of Lok Sabha can be extended during national emergency by 1 year at a time, 6 months at a time, unlimited, not possible. Correct answer होछि option A, 1 year at a time. Revocation of national emergency can be done by option अछि president on his own, president on cabinet advice, parliament, supreme court. Correct answer होछि option B, president on cabinet advice. Which case laid down guidelines for imposition of president rule? Option ଅଛି 1994, 1973, 1980, 1967. Correct ହେଉଛି option A 1994. Next question. In SR Bomai versus Union of India, the Supreme Court held that imposition of president rule is subject to judicial review, not justiciable, only political question, president's absolute discretion. Correct answer ହେଉଛି option A, subject to judicial review. During president's rule, if the state assembly is dissolved, fresh election must be held within option ଅଛି 6 months, 1 year, no fixed time, 3 months. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option A, 6 months. Citizenship provisions in the Indian Constitution are contained in option ଅଛି Article 5 to 11, Article 12 to 35, Article 324 to 329, Article 343 to 351. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option A, Article 5 to 11. Citizenship by birth is granted if a person is born in India on or after 26 January 1950, on or after 1 July 1987, on or after 3 December 2004, with both parents citizen or one citizen and other not illegal migrant. All of the above condition apply depending on date. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option D. All of the above condition apply depending on date. Next question. Acquisition of citizenship by registration is provided under option ଅଛି Article 5, 6, 8 and 9. Correct answer ହେଉଛି option C, Article 8. The Citizenship Act 1955 was amended to include overseas citizenship of India mainly by 2003 Amendment, 2005 Amendment, 2019 Amendment, 2023 Amendment. Correct was option A, 2003 Amendment. The official language of Union is option अछि Hindi in Devanagari script, English, both Hindi and English, any language decided by Parliament. Correct was option A, Hindi in Devanagari script. English continues to be used for official purposes of the Union along with Hindi until Parliament decide otherwise as per option अछि Article 343, Article 344, Article 348 Official Language Act 1963. Correct ହେଉଛି option D, Official Language Act 1963. The eighth schedule of the Constitution contains option अछि 22 official language, 8 language, 12 language, 24 language. Correct ହେଉଛି option A, 22 official language. Which was the last language added to the eighth schedule? Option अछि Bodo, Dogri, Maithili, Santali, Sindhi, Konkani, Manipuri, Nepali, both A and C. Correct answer ହେଉଛି ऑप्शन ए बोडो डोगरी मैथिली सांताली जोटा हमर 92 बा 92nd अमेंडमेंट रे ऐड करा जायतिला 2003 मसिहारे. Special provision for certain states are provided under option अछि Article 370 and 371, Article 371A to 371J, both A and B, Article 239 to 242. Correct answer होछि option C, both A and B. Article 370 was abrogated in जोटा हमर जम्मू कश्मीर related थिला option अछि 2019, 1950, 1962, 1975. एहरा correct answer होछि option A, 2019. Special provision for Nagaland are under Article 371A. Option A हिजिबा हमर correct answer. Article 371D provides special provision for option अछि Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, Assam, Manipur, Sikkim. Correct होछि option A, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. The anti-defection law is mentioned in option अछि 9th schedule, 10th schedule, 11th schedule or 12th schedule. एहरा correct answer होछि option B, 10th schedule. The 10th schedule was added by which amendment? Option अछि 42nd, 52nd, 61st, 73rd. Correct answer होछि option B, 52nd amendment. A member is disqualified under anti-defection law if he voluntarily gives up membership of his party, his seat in the House, both A and B, only if he joins another party. Correct answer होची option A, member of his party. Next question. The decision of questions of disqualification on ground of defection is made by option A, President or Governor, Chairman or Speaker of the House, Election Commission, Supreme Court. Correct answer होची option B, Chairman or Speaker of the House. Next question. The Union Public Service Commission is provided under option A, Article 315, Article 324, Article 280, Article 148. Correct answer होची option A, Article 315. The chairman and member of UPSC are appointed by option A, Prime Minister, President, Parliament, Chief Justice. Correct answer होची option B, President. The Comptroller and Auditor General of India is appointed by agar madhya me padhithile option A hijibo correct answer, President. The CAG is removed in the same manner as Supreme Court Judge, President, Prime Minister, Election Commission. Correct answer होची option A, Supreme Court Judge. The National Commission for Scheduled Caste is provided under Article 338, Article 338A, Article 338B, Article 240. Correct होची option A, Article 338. The National Commission for Scheduled Tribe was separated from SC Commission by option A, 89तम, 65तम, 91तम, 102तम. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି 89ତମ संविधान संशोधन नियम. The National Commission for Backward Classes got constitutional status by option ଅଛି 102ତମ, 103ତମ, 101ତମ amendment, 97ତମ amendment. ଏହାର correct answer ହେଉଛି option A, 102ତମ constitutional amendment right. Tribunal for dispute related to recruitment and condition of service of union and state employees are provided under option A, Article 226, Article 32, Article 323A and 323B, Article 136. Correct होची option C, Article 323A and 323B. Administrative tribunals are established under option A, Article 323B, Article 323A, both Article 324. Correct होची option B, Article 323A. The Finance Commission submits its report to option A, Parliament, Prime Minister, President, Niti Aayog. Correct होची option C, President. The term of the Finance Commission is generally option A, 6 year, 5 year, 10 year as decided by the President. एହାର correct answer होची option B, 5 years. The Backward Classes Commission was appointed in option A, 1990, 1979, 1953, 2006. Correct answer होची option B, 1979. The National Human Rights Commission (NHRC) was established under option A, Protection of Human Rights Act 1993, Article 338, Article 324, 44th Amendment. Correct option number A, Protection of Human Rights Act 1993. The Election Commission of India is a option A, constitutional body under Article 324, statutory body, executive body, advisory body. Correct answer होची option A, constitutional body under Article 324. आशा करछि आपण मानकु समस्तक मोर ए भिडियोटी निहाती भाबरे भल लागिथिबो. जदि भल लागिछि ताहाले एबे लाइक करंतु, भिडियोटी संग मानक सहित मते शेयर करंतु. जदि आपण एबे पर्यंत मोर नॉलेज जदि आपण माने एबे पर्यंत मोर चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करनांती ताहाले एबे जाई सब्सक्राइब करंतु, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करी ऑल नोटिफिकेशन को ऑन कर दियंतु. जदि आपण माने मोर प्रीवियस वीडियो को देखिनांती ताहाले नॉलेज का यूट्यूब चैनल रो प्लेलिस्ट रो मध्ये देखंतु. Thank you so much for your love, support and valuable time. Thank you so much to all.